Of course, we would like to thank our conductor, Mr. Erwin Limpin, for this wonderful presentation of the Green Cloud. Maraming salamat, Erwin. Marami na kami pinagsamahan ni Erwin from the different schools, and I'd like to thank him because pumayag siya na makasama pa rin natin dito sa St. Augustine Academy. Once again, palakpakan natin si Sir Erwin. At sa mga bata ito na matyagang nagpa-practice, marami yung mga kinanta nila, hindi biro-biro yung practice. Palakpakan natin yung mga bata. At we've seen them perform, we've discovered the beautiful voices of these students. Thank you sa Ampli Club for this wonderful presentation. Once again, palakpakan natin. And of course, this presentation is a culmination of our 69th foundation anniversary, and as a way of thanking also our guest of honor, is the Most Reverend Pasiano B. Aniceto Didi Malangkat. And I'd like to call now our bishop to please come forward for a short message. Palakpak muna natin si Apo Sen.
Yo, Father Willie, nantin medyo dalupangkot. Bila ko dalong ninyang aking kuhaning performance na rin kaya tawag na. Parang kanta na po rin mga tawag participants. Benedict XVI says that the world needs today is beauty. There's a lot of violence, war, rampant corruption, all kinds of inhumanity against human beings. So this great pope, which is scholar, Benedict XVI said, what the world needs today is beauty. The beauty of art, poetry, the beauty of music, the beauty of dancing. But there is a higher kind of beauty, the beauty of holiness. And this is the very reason why SAAC was founded by its founders, to promote the beauty of a character that's in consonance with the beauty of God's will. I think it was the Commedia Divina, Algieri, who said that Divine Comedy, that beauty is the real meaning of our creation. Na ang kagandahan. The first Bishop of Pampanga, Maria Guerrero, says that I have to make the icon, the image of Miriam de los Remedios, the most beautiful icon, because Pampangueño men, they like beautiful women. Kaya yun po ang role ng kagandahan ng Virgen Maria. She is the most beautiful all beautiful women. Sana po, ganyan din ang manatili sa atin, sa ating eskwela, the beauty of pagmanagpindi, kagalangan, respeto, sipagan, the beauty of honesty, the beauty of being brothers and sisters to one another. And today, our dear students have displayed their, as Erwin said, or Father Willie said, we discovered their hidden beauty, the beauty of their heart, singing out in praise of the Lord. Kaya, finally, Augustine said, "O beauty ever ancient," "O beauty ever," matanda na yan po siya ito talaga. Stugratar na ka, maglag na kabuntok. O beauty ever ancient, O beauty ever new. Kaya, talagang si St. Augustine, o legwan at naging katwa, o legwan at naging kasampat, o legwan na bayo mong bayo. So, let us continue enjoying God's gift of us, and may our gathering today express the beauty of our brotherhood and our real solidarity with one another. I did not know that Father Billy has an ulterior motive. I thought it was really the purpose of tonight is to give thanks for the 69th anniversary. O pati ang piyabeda. To remind me that I am really saling pusa. I am already retired. No? I am really underemployed. I am jobless. So thank you for this program. Parang pa natin si Erwin. Erwin! Thank you. Thank you to all of you. Parang pakanta ng estudyante na.
Sigabong palakpakan kay Aposeto. Thank you, Aposeto. Thank you, Sir Erwin, and thank you sa Bigla.
Okay.